How to buy Central African Republic meme token. So this token came under the symbol of CAR. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down the description. You can get free money rewards in crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. This token, as you can see, it's available on the screener. The liquidity here unlocked by 99%. That's mean investment in a safe place. This token also trended number 6 on Solana section on the screener. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana. So now open funds wallet for that. Now click here on swap and make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. After that, paste the token address here. So this is our token. Click on it. Now type how much you want to buy. So as you can see, this is how much you receive that token. Now select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of this information here. And after that, click on swap, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face any issue, go back to this page and click here on swap and switch this slip hash from here or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slip hash, and after that you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy CAR token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.